Hello everyone, welcome to INS Creations Ltd, where creativity meets professionalism. In today's video, I am going to show you how to design a stunning roll-up banner that's perfect for promoting businesses, events, and campaigns. Whether you are a designer seeking fresh ideas or someone who wants to understand the design process, you are in the right place. I will guide you to step by step through creating a banner that's eye-catching, informative, and impactful. By the end of this video, you will have all the tips you need to design a roll-up banner that stands out. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. After create a page for a roll-up banner design, go to the element and let's search for an arrow frame. Let's take this frame and adjust it on the middle of the page like this. And for this frame, let's search for a picture about business related. Let's take this picture and adjust it in 90 degree, adjust it in the middle. Now give it a effect from the edit panel. Let's keep this. Now go to the border and give a border like this and give a color in gradient shade. Let's make a gradient shade. That's it. Now from the element, let's find a shape. Let's take this shape and adjust it like this. Make a corner and give it a color, the gradient shade. Make the shape little bit in center. Now let's take this hexagonal shape and adjust it all over the pages, all over the middle page actually. And now give this same gradient shade. Let's change the shade, make this little bit lighter. Now take a text box and type the text. Make the text uppercase. Take another text box and type the another text and make this text a little bit bold. Take another text box and adjust it in under the previous text. Make all of them in left alignment. Make the little text give an effect in outline. Text in white and outline in black. Now take another text box and type about us. Let's take this rectangle shape and give a color in white and give a border in the gradient shade we made before. Adjust it under the About Us. Now take a text box and type the dummy text. Adjust the dummy text under About Us. Now let's take this rectangle shape and make it a thin shape and adjust it on the left corner of the page and change the color in gradient. Give a border and make the corner round. Keep it in white. Now take a text box and type creative and copy the dummy text under this and adjust it. Now take another text box, type development, make it same as creative, and again take a text box and type strategy and make it before like this. Now from the element, let's search creative development and strategy and choose the icon and adjust it with the items. Now from the element, search for a line. Let's take this line and adjust it under the elements like this. Now from the element, search for a business lady. Let's take this lady, make it smaller, and let's remove the background and adjust it on the right corner of the page. Now from the shape, let's take this shape and adjust it all over the bottom side of the page and give it a color in gradient we made before, and take another shape, actually the same shape, and adjust it on right corner. Take a text box and type contact us, make it a uppercase and change the color in white, and take another text box and type the phone number, change the color in white. Now from the element, let's search for a phone icon. Let's take this icon and change the color in white, adjust it with the phone number. Now take this wave icon, adjust it under the phone icons, change the color in white. Now take a text box and type the web address. Make all of them in regular font. Now adjust all the things. Take this line and adjust it under the contact us. Make the position 0 degree and now let's go to the element and search for a marketing logo. Let's take this logo and change the color in white or this green shade. Let's change the color in white and take a text box and type the company name Marketing Hub. Make it a bold and change the color in white and adjust it under the logo. Here it is, the roll-up banner design for a marketing agency. If you need this kind of roll-up banner design or any other design need you have like flyer design, brochure design, pitch decks, presentation design and all report cards, please contact with us. Our contact details attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.